And my trays are absolutely bouncing. Look at that. I don't know what's going on. That poor tray.
Hirap.
Stuff is happening over there.
Hello.
It's blown the other half of the truck.
Look, guys. Let's put this.
That poor guy that's inside it. So that other guy just blew up the tray. Well, blew up the bridge, not the train. But yeah, that blew up everything. That literally blew everything. Why would he do that? He's a bad person, he is.
Try again.
I've met a lot of bad people, yeah, in my time. I'm a bad person myself. I'm just saying, that is really bad. Deleting the bridge
Again?
while they're going across it and causing you lag, that is not good.
Ayan na, papahir.
I might have to join a different game. Hang on, we have to leave this one. We have to join a different server on this one. Very nice. This is what they've added. 5G. And there's a new badge that's added. And a day and night cycle that I don't care about. I mean, day and night cycle is cool. Now let me just shoot it around. Go. Okay, before we spawn this, we want to quickly go and grab speaker. So we need to make sure the bridge is intact. That's where we're going to go. Okay, we're going to go across here, see if it's intact. It is intact. Let's go down here, make sure the switch goes to the right. We want to go to the new island. There should be a new badge there, I'm hoping. Look at me go, look at me go! This way. I think we actually have to go around the other way, but we're going to try and go this way. Okay, now we're going to grab the big boy. This one, without the lag, please.
Oops, sorry.
No lag. Hopefully, no one blows this for me. Or spawns their own train. Because obviously most people, they just want to do their own thing. You absolute mug! I knew it was going to happen. Enjoy your train. I knew it's going to happen. I can't drive out of spawn. I literally can't drive out of spawn. Come on, let me actually drive my train and then you can drive yours, can't you? Can't despawn someone else's if it's okay. It's not. Why? Is this bacon, Mum? Enjoy that, boy. Yeah, you're welcome. There we go. Now we've got to wait for this. Wait for this again. See, we had to
Wait for the ads.
Guys, gusto lang dagat na itong piece of extension.
Come on.
There's one bacon here, it's just waiting. There we go. Go, go, go.
Sige, Idol.
Go, go.
Idol. Yan naman ako.
1, 2. Go, 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 go.
Enjoy.
Dito pa, agawin ka dito.
Just let me go. Let me. They don't even get in it. They're just blowing it up. They're leaving. Oh look, you made a new window. Nice.
Go, go.
Oh, see you, Craig. Have a good time.
Go.
No, obviously someone's going to delete it.
Look. Go. Over the bullet.
Ah. Stock. Ay, wala. Negat.
Yeah,
Yung...
let's see.
Wala din. Wala naman akong ganun. Na-out ko na lahat.
Green.
Si ano? Si Idol. Pinuntahan dito eh. Kinuha lahat eh. Oo, malamang. Katay boys din yun eh. Ano madaan dyan? Nakamiyawan na rin si Gagi.
Okay, I'll take that one.
Wala rin pino. 8. Eh, wala eh. Meron ng bago eh. Mio 1. Mahal naman ng Winker HMA. 900 yon. Pagit eh. Hindi ko kailangan Winker lang. Wala. Oo, pati yung ulo. Sige.
Clean.
Sige.
Clean. Okay. Kita.
Ba't ganun? Uminom na ako ng ano ah.
What I get better. What I better. Yeah, get back. What?
Sira electric pan ni nanay, kaya chinek ko baka nilalagnat lang. Ngunit subalit sa halip datapwat wala naman. No rim namang current yung socket, kaya ginamitan ko na siya ng testicles. But although however wala siyang reading, kaya nung nalaman ko na yung sira niya, pinagbabaklas ko na ang lahatan. Habang nililinis ko nga siya, agay! Sira na pala yung finger niya. Loyal na pala to. Di na...
Bilisan nyo! Kanina pa kayo eh! Wala pa, ayan o. Ayan, hanapin nyo. Ayan, hanapin, sige. Sige, ayan, hanapin.
Yes. Get pranked.
Hindi siya ganun? Tapon na. Saan dito ang black? Left or right? Jalen! Jalen! Black, brown. Where's the black? Here or here? Here? Brown. Where's the black? Here or here?
Here!
It's brown. Where's the black?
Nilaloko mo daw siya eh. O, silipin mo. Silipin mo.
Okay, where's the black? Here or here? Here! Okay. Oh. Ay, gag. Maganda sana ito. Hindi siya pwede sa...
Wait, there's a stick.
Wala nang buka.